Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how I prepare my homemade mayonnaise. On the table I have the ingredients for this homemade mayonnaise. I have my oil here. I'm going to use coconut oil and I'm using 250 ml of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my salt, I have my sweetener, but you can use your sugar. I have my vinegar, I have my white pepper, I have my lemon juice, and I have my egg yolk. I'm going to use 3 egg yolks. So let's get into it. So I'm starting by putting in our yolk. I said I'm going to use 3 egg yolks, so I'll put this one first. A pinch of salt. I'm using my sweetener, 1 teaspoon of sweetener. 1 teaspoon of sweetener I'm using my vinegar. The vinegar is 1 teaspoon. White pepper, 1 teaspoon. Then my lemon, I squeezed out my lemon. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. So I'll now add a little bit of the oil. Then when I blend for the first time, I'll now start adding it gently until I'm finished putting the oil. So I've done the first one. I'm putting in the oil little by little. So this is the last batch of the oil. You can actually use your hand to beat it. You can use your hand mixer or you can use your spatula to stir everything together if you don't have a blender. You can adjust it to the quantity you want, and it can last in your fridge for up to 10 days, and it must be in the fridge. If not, it will go bad. I think we are done now. So you just turn it into a clean bowl and put in your fridge. What actually prompted me to get this recipe was because I was using a brand of mayonnaise, and at the point the taste started becoming awful. So I had to go and look for ways to do it myself. That was how I came about this recipe. You can see, and you can make it to your taste. You can see what we have here. You can see what we have here. There's no difference with the one you buy in the market. You see? If you have not liked, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave it at the comment section. So this is our home mayonnaise. Thanks for keeping with me as I bring out my recipes. You all give me hope to do it. Thank you and remain blessed.